So this is the Moonlight Glow Edit, the December Glossy Box. Let's see what treats we've got in here. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. So today's video I have another unboxing for you, and it is this. This is the December Glossy Box. So yeah, let's get it out of here. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit the notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. So just to make this totally clear and transparent, I am gifted this by GlossyBox in return to do an unboxing video on my channel for you guys to see. So yeah, let's open her up. Here is the box, or should I say tin. So yeah, it's gorgeous. Look at it, isn't it really nice? I'm dying to get in here. So if you are interested in purchasing this for yourself, I have a link. I'll pop that link in the information box and the comment box below. So yeah, click the link, go over to the website and pop it in your basket, and next to the link you'll notice that there's a code there as well. If you use that code, it'll get your first box for a tenner, which is always good. Gotta love a good saving. But let's pop this beauty open. Right, so this is inside the tin, and you've got to love the detail as well. It's like when you open your boxes up and you've got this pattern, like the little glossy logo there. Really like it. So you normally get around 5 products in your box every month, ranging from skincare, hair care, beauty tools and makeup. It's $13.25 per month for a rolling subscription where you can cancel at any time. If you subscribe to a 3, 6 or a 12-month subscription, it gets cheaper, which is also fantastic. But yeah, in your box you get the edit card, which has the information on all the products in here, which is great. So we'll be looking at that throughout the video. And then this is inside. Again, presentation is fantastic. Let's open it up. So there is a little sneak peek for you, but let's have a proper dig through to see what we've got. So while filming, my door went and it was my postman, and my glossy box has arrived, what I pay for. So I thought, perfect opportunity. Let's see what's in my personal glossy box, and we'll do a giveaway for it. So who wants to win the December box? What can we do? Make sure that you like this video and that you are subscribed. Comment down below what your favourite product is in the glossy box this month. But yeah, this is the one that I pay for. So this is the edit card. So let's have a look. So yep, you get the Elemis product in here, you get the face palette, you get the face brush, you get the eye patches, and you get a perfume sample. The product that differs in here is product number 4. So I got the hair mask in my PR box, and the one that I pay for, it's an espa product. Oh, I'm poking myself in the face. So there it is there. So you'll get that product with this one. And let's have a look. Oh, it's hand balm. It says hand balm lucky dip. Just says, as each has its own blend of hard-working ingredients and its own stunning fragrance, we haven't been able to choose our favourite espa hand balm, which was why we've left it up to a lucky dip as to which one you will receive. We guarantee all are on offer are perfect for hydrating and reviving tired or dry hands to leave them feeling beautifully soft. So yeah, who wants to win the December glossy box tin? Right, so back to the edit card. It just says here what the name of the edit is, and it's Moonlight Glow. There is a little note in here, so let's quickly give that a read. It just says, December marks the end of an unforgettable year in beauty, and as the magic of the upcoming festive holiday draws closer, we can't wait to delve into our final edit of 2021. Inspired by the magic of winter, our Moonlight Glow glossy box is packed with products to help you achieve a lit from within glow. Let's perfect our skincare, makeup rituals and add a touch of cool winter glamour to the end of the year beauty looks. Let's have a look at the sneak peek. So there is the January sneak peek. It's by the brand Nails Inc. and it's Gel Rehab Strengthening Nail Treatment. That sounds great. Right, so the first product we have is this, and it's by the brand Elemis. Gotta love a bit of Elemis. So this is a deluxe size, and it's Superfood Glow Priming Moisturiser. It says here, so there's 20 mils in the deluxe size and it's worth £15. If you were to purchase the full size one for yourself, which is 60 mils, that's £39. And it just says, the perfect recipe for a dewy glow, priming and hydrating, this moisturiser works to reveal a smooth and radiant complexion. Formulated with an energising blend of kombucha and fermented ginger, it also helps to brighten and illuminate. Used as a daily moisturiser, a hydrating makeup primer, or to enhance the skin's natural luminosity. Okay, so I have received this before. I have it in one of my boxes where I've got lots of stuff. So I'm not going to open it, but the smell on this is awesome. Awesome, awesome. And it feels so good on the skin. Product number 2, we have this. So this is by the brand LA Splash Cosmetics. This is a full size item and it is Midnight Glow Face Palette. Okay, the RRP for this is £25. It just says, give your face some lunar love with this face palette. Transform a complexion that looks dull and lackluster into skin that's luminous. With 4 shades of blush, bronzer and highlighter. Highly pigmented, these pressed powders allow for an easy application and strike the perfect balance of undertones for all skin tones. So that's what it looks like without the sleeve on. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Oh wow, look at that. Let's take that off. That is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So we have a mirror here. Hello. But yeah, let's do some swatches. So we have Midnight Rose, we have Blushing Luna, we have Bronze Goddess, and we have Ethereal Highlights. So there is the swatches. So that blusher is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. That highlighter, I'm sorry, but that's not for any complexion. That's too dark for me. Way too dark. So that would make a good bronzer for me and that would make a good contour. But that highlighter, it's just too dark. I'm so upset about that. But I will use that as an eyeshadow topper. That would be a gorgeous colour on the eye. So there'll be no waste here. Product number 3, we have this. So this is by the brand Spectrum Collections. This is a full-size product. And it just says this is a B08 magic wand. The RRP for this is £8.99. So Spectrum do some really nice makeup brushes for affordable prices, I must say. It just says the perfect partner for your new face palette. Use the feather soft bristles for this magic wand brush to seamlessly apply and blend your highlighter. Just swirl the long tapered tip of the brush into the product before sweeping across cheekbones, cupid's bow, brow bone for the ultimate glow. This face brush is all you need for an even application and a diffuse soft focus finish. So let's have a little look-see. Oh, I'm loving that, and I don't normally like gold. I'm a silver kind of girl, if I'm honest, but that is gorgeous. I'm loving the colour of the handle, very unusual. That gold goes beautiful with that blue, and yeah, them bristles feel so nice. So product number 4 is this. So this is by the brand Brave New Hair, and this is a keratin hair mask. The RRP for this is a £5, so very affordable indeed. This is a full-size product. Did I say that? I don't know. Well, I've just said it now, so there you go. It just says, for a healthy hair that looks strong, smooth and has a serious shine, this keratin mask provides deep and long-lasting conditioning whilst adding resilience and elasticity. It also improves hydration and protects from damage and breakage. Unruly hair is sure to become sleek, soft and nourished. So I have definitely received this before. I think I received this last month. I've received a couple of these. One smell, I can't remember the smell of the first one I received. The one I received last month smells of coconut. So which one is this one? Coconut, fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Product number 5, we have this. So this is by the brand Beauty Pro. Again, this is a full-size product, and this is retinol under eye patch. The RRP for this is £1.95, so again, very affordable. It just says, brighten your under eyes to help diminish fine lines and wrinkles with this handy pair of revitalizing eye patches. Packed with retinol and vitamin C, these powerful patches would work to hydrate and nourish and rejuvenate the skin. Yeah, awesome. I love Beauty Pro. They're one of my favourite face mask brands. Yeah, great. Product number 6 is this, and it is by the brand Bon Parfumerie. I know I've butchered that, sorry. But it does say here this is an extra treat, which is great because I don't think I'd be happy with that as one of the products in the box, because obviously it's just a 1ml sachet. But this is 003. I'm not going to open it now because with it being a sachet, I'm going to open it and it's just going to go everywhere. So yeah, but I can't wait to give it a go. So this is the Moonlight Glow Edit, the December GlossyBox. What do you think? So personally, I must say I am loving this box. The star of the show is the face palette. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I am loving the colour of that blush, is amazing. It's, well, all of it, look how pigmented they are. It's so good, like really good. It's closely followed by the elemis, then the hair mask, and so on. But yeah, overall it's an all right box. It really is. So again, if you have not subscribed yet, I've got my link and my code in the information box and the comment box. Make sure to get some good use out of it. But yeah, like I said at the beginning of the video, if you are interested in winning my, if I can pick it up, if you are interested in winning my December box, remember it's got that espa product in this one. All you have to do is like this video, make sure that you are subscribed, and comment down below what's your favourite product in the GlossyBox. And I will wait 1 week, so on the 14th of December I will comment down below the winner, and yeah, good luck everybody. It's a good little box to win. That concludes this video, so if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.